Good morning. This morning I'm in Caldecott in Cambridgeshire, where we've recently installed one of our fantastic new Frontiers structures. It's a product which really takes play to the next dimension, with many access, exit and exciting climbing opportunities. Built from this stainless steel curved structure, you've got this dome-like look to the product, and then within each sector you've got climbing, socializing, hanging and clambering style experiences. It really does look fantastic from all angles, and the quality of the materials is second to none, with the stainless steel framework, compact grade laminate, steel core ropes and a very intelligent clamping system, which makes the product easy to deliver, environmentally friendly to transport and construct.